Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back today. I really appreciate it. So today's video is another Halloween look, of course. We're still in October. So today's video is going to be like a really dark, dramatic drag look. I don't know like exactly what it is. I don't really know exactly what it's going to turn into. It could turn into anything really. But all I want to know is I really want to do full on drag because I haven't done that in quite a while. And I know you guys really enjoy that. So that's what we're doing. I have nothing else to say. I'm going to cover my brows off camera super quickly and I'll be back and we'll get started and we'll figure out where we want to go. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Alright, we're back. So I'm just going to wipe away all this. So don't mind the tape on my face. So I've decided to actually add some face tape because I really want this to be like snatched. So this is actually just wig tape that I just got from the wig store. I wouldn't suggest doing this because it's really fucking hard to do and it's just a fucking hassle. If you're wanting face tapes, just buy face tapes. I just haven't gotten around to buying any yet. But yeah, this is just wig tape that I've cut and then I've just attached like hair bands and then like at the end I'm gonna pull them back and tie them. But yeah, so that's it. So I'm gonna go straight in with my foundation. Now I think I'm gonna try and also just go straight over the tapes as well. I'm going to try something different this time around. I'm actually only going to cover my top half of my face and we're going to do the eyes first and then we're going to move down to the bottom with foundation and everything, just because we're doing like really dark colors. There's going to be a lot of fallout and I don't want to ruin it, so we're just covering the top half and then we'll move down the bottom. Blend it out. Okay, awesome. Straight in with some concealer. Use my Marc Jacobs Remarkable Concealer. I'm gonna actually take my white paint stick. Use a bit of this. Just to highlight in the middle of the forehead. Now, a bit of contour as well. This is just my Kat Von D concealer in D35 Neutral. All around the perimeter. I'm gonna go in and blend this first. And then go out here. Okay. That's it. Okay, gonna get rid of our creases. Straight in with my Airspun. All over. Alright. So lightly brush that back. Be very careful. Alright. So that's really it. We're going to go straight in with our colours now. So I'm going to start with the grey. Just a neutral grey colour. This is all going to be black. We're not going to do any warm tones. Everything is really like really dark and dramatic. So I'm going to take, this is the Kat Von D Pastal Goth palette. I'm going to take this grey here. Just on a huge, big, fluffy brush to begin with. And just going straight up. Not creating like a cut crease or anything to begin with. We're just gonna lay down some color and then see what happens. This is really just coming in all over the lid. It's going in all over, like this is going to be our base color. And we're of course going to just keep adding to this. Now I'm going to start going with some black. This is the Kat Von D Satin Sinner palette. And really just going straight over all of that with black. Just blending it in. Okay, so we've laid down the basics of the eye. I'm actually gonna go in and we're gonna do our eyebrows because I want to kind of figure out, I want to better figure out the shape that we're going for in the eye, and I think the eyebrows are gonna help that. So I'm taking my Kat Von D brow pomade in graphite, just a really small tiny brush here, and we're gonna paint on some brows. So we want to have them come in really low and then arch up high. So when we do that, it's just like, so let's draw these on. Getting obscured. Alright, so we definitely have some brows happening. This one's a little bit higher than that one, I think. So this brow pomade like dries completely. So I'm just gonna wait for it to dry and then we're gonna go over with our foundation and clean up the edges. Eyebrows are done. They're just snatched, holy shit. Does it already look like my face is pulled back? Like when I pull this back, it's just gonna be like... Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so we're gonna go in and start creating a little bit more like drama. I'm gonna take, this is the new Marc Jacobs See-Quins Glam Glitter Eyeshadow. So it's like pressed glitter. It's really, really nice. This is in Glam Noir, so it's like the black one. Just go straight up, pack this onto my brush. It's like loose pigment, but it blends. See that? Pack this on my brush, and we're gonna start blending that all over the eye. So I'm gonna start off with a bigger brush for like this big bit, and then we're gonna go into like a smaller, more precise brush. Okay, now we're going to take this flat brush and use this to blend out the edges. So I think I want to keep it more like this one here and not have it touch the top of the brow. So I'm going to go in and kind of clean that up a little bit. So I'm just going to take my concealer brush again, and we're just going to try and pull some of this back. So I think I'm actually gonna move down to the bottom now and start doing all of that. So I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe, of course, and get rid of all this stuff. I don't want this to be like a harsh line here, so I'm gonna kind of leave that a little bit, I think. Mostly just getting rid of this fallout. All right, let's go straight in with our foundation. See what we can do here. Okay, bit of concealer. Mixing it with a bit of my white paint stick again. So nose, going in back with that concealer, creating a little bit more of a nose contour. Straight down, straight across, and then I really want them to be like pulled up, so I'm gonna accentuate these bits. Okay, now I'm gonna take my contour again and put this here. Okay, gorgeous. I actually love it so much. Okay, let's go in and set all this. So take my Airspun again. All right, brushing that back. All right, bit of contour. So I'm gonna take, this is just the Marc Jacobs contour palette. And we're gonna get in these cheeks here. So I wanna kind of, really make them look hollowed out. See that? Quite dark. Come back down the bottom there. It's kind of like Black Swan vibes, actually. Alright, little brush for nose contour. Straight down the sides. Okay, I'm going to take this side now and put this right here. See that? That just like makes it look a little bit more intense, darling. So let's move down to the bottom. So I'm going to take my small little brush. I'm going to start in with our grey. This one here. Super, super careful. And let's start. So I'm not going to bring it all the way in, I don't think. Kind of stopping halfway. Like not even, like that's even too far. Actually, we're gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna take my liner. Actually, I don't want to use this one. Okay, so we're gonna do some eyeliner. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just very lightly sort of like outline the top. I don't really want to do a wing, but mostly what I'm using this for is I want to actually extend our inner corners down. So okay, now let's keep going down the bottom. So back in with our small little brush. Let's move on to some blacks now. I think. Oh my god, I've got so much happening here. I need like a bird's eye view camera as well of like my entire desk every time I do one of these videos, because it's actually mayhem. You guys will be shocked. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking break something one day and I'm gonna be pissed, and it's gonna be really exciting. Alright, so we're gonna move on to our black on a small brush. Okay, I'm actually gonna take, this is another one of the Marc Jacobs See-Quins eyeshadows. This is in Flashlight, so it's like a white iridescent one. And I'm gonna place this right here. Okay, one last step before we move on. I'm gonna take this black liner and we're gonna line our waterline. Just until we hit that white part there. Okay, try and do the top as well. Gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, mascara, top and bottom. Okay, so before we do lashes, I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil and How Many Carats. Just taking it with this brush here. Alright, so for lips, let's try and do something fun. Shall we? So I'm actually gonna take a brush. Oh, well, to begin with, I'm not gonna take a brush. I'm just gonna, I'm using this Marc Jacobs lemarc lipstick in Blacquer. Gonna put it down in the middle first. And then I'm gonna use my brush to blend this out. Okay, so I wanna keep it quite dark in the middle and then blend it out towards the edges. Alright, I'm going to take, this is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. And we're going to put this all over. I think this is it, you guys. Oh wait, no it's not. I need to do lashes. Oh my god, I need to do lashes. Okay. Lashes. Okay, I'm just taking these like cheap fluffy ones off eBay that I've got. I'm going to do this real quick and then I'll be right back and we'll be done. Okay guys, this is the look. I'm gonna go and put on my outfit, my hair and all the usual stuff, and we'll be back and we'll be done. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm sorry, I don't really know exactly what it is, but like I'm really liking it. I don't know like what reference. I feel like every time I do one of these looks and I don't know what it is, someone in the comments is always like, oh my god, it's this fucking character, it's that character. So I'm sure there's something to do with something in here. Anyway, this is it. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. This is hardcore. We've got our face pulled back like crazy. I'm actually so obsessed with it. I love it so much. Anyway, this is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week for another Halloween look. Thank you guys and goodbye.